Nature already loves you. You were born with love already. The birds sings to us every day because they love us. The sun shines so bright because it loves us. Food grows for us in abundance because it loves us. We are loved in abundance every day. And I'm grateful and thankful for this love because I don't have to seek it. It's already here. It's already me. Some people think they need other people or things or places to love them. But really, nature is already loving you. Nature is loving me. This water flowing, it loves you.